In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Tap on Allow in the second one. And then finally hit Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on. Lastly, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!